Hey guys, just want to point out the reason why I like having a drone that has an SD card input, because you look at the quality of this particular video here. This is a better drone that supposedly has 4K quality, but it's saving the files to the phone as opposed to an SD card. So you look at the quality of this one compared to the one that I'm going to show you in just a moment, and you'll see a big difference in the quality. That has a little haze, a little fuzz to it, although it's hazy because of the smoke and from the wildfires in Canada. But you'll be able to see the difference between the quality of this particular camera, which is supposed to be 4K, and it knocks it down because my phone doesn't save files in 4K. But the next video, the next clip that you're going to see, is going to actually show files that are recorded directly to the memory card, and you can see a big difference in the quality. So watch this jump right here, you'll see the difference. See right there, you can just see a much better difference in the quality of the image, and this card is the files are being saved directly to the SD card that's inserted in the drone itself. So these files are not being saved. They are being saved to the phone as well, but they're also being saved to the SD card, which makes the quality much better. It's going to be the original quality that you get. So that's one reason why I'm looking for a drone that has an SD card input, so I can save the files directly to the memory card, and then I can download them to my computer and do my editing the way that I want. And the quality, as you can see, is so much better. So let me know what you guys think. Hopefully, I'm still looking around for another camera that does that. So see if I can find one that has a SD card input directly into the drone itself. So still looking around on Amazon to see if I can find something for about $150 or less that has the SD card input. And let me know what you guys think, and to see if you're having the same kind of problem when you save your files to your phone as opposed to saving them directly to a memory card. Let me know what you think. Talk to you soon. Stay tuned.